Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic CRM access permissions. So by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So you have to visit to the CRM option, and in the CRM option, in the setting, you will get the CRM access permission. Just click on the CRM access permission. After clicking on the CRM access permission, you will get the access permission option over here for every part that is included in the CRM. So you can set the permission for the lead separately, for the deal separately. You have many roles, like you can give the full access to a specific person. You can create your you can create the role according to your requirement also. And here you will get the read option, to whom you can give the read option. Only the user or the user department items, the user sub department item, all item mark as available to everyone. Yeah, all item. So you can set the permission over here for CRM. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.